In this video we will be covering how to add your own tab. What does it mean? It's mean when you want to use your own functions in future in your data set or in any set, then you can create your own tabs. So just go click on this file tab. The moment you click on it, then it will show many options, so you have to click on more, and on more you have to click on options. So the moment you click on option, it will pop up this dialog box. So here you have to click on customize ribbons. So here at the right side we have main tabs, such as we have home. In home we have many groups like clipboard, font, alignment. They're all built in, such as here we have a home tab in which we have ribbons, and these ribbons are nothing but groups like clipboard, font, alignment and number, style. Now I want to add my own tab in which I will use my own ribbons. So here at the bottom you have to click on new tab. So here it will generate you a new tab. Now click on this and you can rename it. So I will give it, sorry, I made a mistake. Let me remove this from here, this one. So I will rename it. So I will give it a name such as my tab, and okay, now this is my tab. Now in this tab I want to add some functions such as ribbons or option that will be using by me in future. So here at the left side we have many options, such as I'm going to add field and just add, and okay, we have to create a group there. Select this group. This is our tab and this is the groups that will be contained in within this tab. So fill, color and add, it will be added, such as I will add this delete cells and freeze spans. Just for the sake of tutorial I am adding some features. Now just click on OK. See here, right after home we have a tab, my tab. So if I click on it, it will give me all these groups. I have a group by the name of new group in which I have some ribbons, fill, color, that has been added by me. So in that way you add and create your own tab. Now how to delete this tab? So you'll have to use the same method. Click on file and click on more, select options, and it will pop up again the similar window, or you can say dialog box. Now click on customize ribbon and select your tab and reset. Okay, select and reset and just okay. Let me do it again. More, options, customize ribbon. We have a tab by the name of my tab. Select and reset, or you can remove. You have to remove it. We are not going to reset it, we are going to remove it. So you can reset it, but I will remove it. So I will click on remove and okay. So it will remove this tab. So in that way you can add, or you can say you can create your own tab and you can add some ribbons that will be used by you in future, and you can delete at the same way.